About a third of the people who take the National Registry will fail. How can you be sure you're not one of them? Guardian Test Prep is the answer. A service that provides everything you need to ace both your program and the NREMT. Entertaining lectures that hit all of the national standards, while highlighting the challenging, high-yield material that you're most likely to be tested on. You can take the program step by step, covering all the material, or use our easy-to-navigate module system to find the specific topics you need help with. With a downloadable, interactive workbook for each short lecture, and quick quizzes to check your understanding, you're bound to learn more, retain more, and test better. Not all NREMT prep is created equal. With Guardian Test Prep, you can rest easy knowing competent, entertaining, and caring instructors who work both in education and as medical providers are delivering you vetted content straight from the source. What's more, we have lots of fun doing it. Education doesn't have to be boring, stressful, or overwhelming. So as you work hard with us, we expect you to play hard too. Humor and fun helps you retain information, keeps your stress managed, and makes you a better provider. Still not enough? We think so too. So we'll provide you with weekly podcasts, Q&As, and personal direct access to coach you through whatever you need. Emergency providers are a team. This means on the street and in the classroom. You don't have to go it alone anymore. We've got your back. When you're ready to crush your program, ace the registry, and save lives in the field, we'll be here. See you in class.